The Header and Footer Script Loader plugin supports managing and controlling additional scripts and styles on your WordPress site. In this video, we will use the plugin to remove a divider on a page using JavaScript code. All rules are under WordPress Admin, Settings, General Settings tab. Here you can add the script. The script type can be CSS or JavaScript. The script can be located at the header or the footer of the page and can be loaded on all pages, specific pages, or no pages at all. The following script will delete the divider in the page. The divider ID is demo. See the complete list of differences between the free and pro version. To learn more about this product and the differences between the free and pro version, visit cminds.com.